Hello friend, welcome back to another video. So you can see this car is Mercedes-Benz G wagon G class AMG G63 model, and this car have problem transmission. You can see we already opened the gear transmission gearbox. The car have issue about transmission related. When we drive the car, so car is jerking, like vibration, car is heading like that, means vibration. Then we open gearbox and find fault, where is you can see that is converter fault. This is faulty for converter, transmission converter, that this one. And already we have another we going to replace for transmission converter. Okay. And if you facing like same problem, you put your car gear N to D and your car is jerking like vibration, then mostly in this case is faulty converter. Not all time, but mostly sometimes it's different. Thank you, thanks for watching.